Hey, it's taco time, and nothing's tastier or more festive. Crispy fried shells filled with lip-smackin flavor. Everyone loves tacos, and they're oh so easy to make, and we'll show you how. Tacos. For your savory seasoning, combine 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper for some bang. Then mix well and set aside. For a meal that will serve 4, use about 1 pound of ground beef, 80 to 90% lean, or you can use ground chicken or turkey. Now fry at medium heat until brown. Drain off any excess grease and add your seasoning mix and 1/2 cup of water. Stir well, and then let everything simmer for about 5 minutes. For your shells, heat 1/2 cup of oil to medium-high until your oil shimmers. Then lay in your corn tortilla and fry for about 25 seconds. Flip, fold, and make a pocket. Fry another 25 seconds and then remove and sprinkle with salt. And place in a 200-degree oven until it's taco time. Are you hungry now? Good. Now add on some tasty fillings and feast. Delicious, simple, and fantastic. Tacos.